me what's happening.
Hi. So we are on our way to, or near Ocala, Florida this weekend. We're heading to the Runaway Homecoming Rally event. I don't know exactly
Rally's
what they call it. That's what a lot of
rally.
people call it. Which is basically, do you want to explain what it is? Or you want me
I
to
don't,
explain?
but I will.
Okay.
So,
The Runaway.
I'm driving too, I can't multitask. So the
Don't
Runaway,
look at anybody.
I won't. The Runaway Homecoming is where all these people who have purchased runaway campers come back to Ocala.
They come home, all the campers come home.
The campers come home to the town in which they were built. So the company Runaway has a campground near the factory. And so there's 65 different campsites, and all these people who are runaways converge and spend the weekend together, sharing stories, looking at each other's rigs, and
Which, if you remember, our Runaway is called Mo, and it is 4 feet by 8 feet. So when we say rig, it is not like this big one that's passing us right here.
Yes, nothing like that. So so it should be fun, just hanging out with people that have runaways, seeing what they did with their campers, seeing, they can see what we did with ours.
This is our first time coming to this since we just purchased this back in August. But
August.
we did buy it in August.
Yeah, we did a lot since August.
I know. So we are anticipating it's going to be kind of like a car show where everybody kind of has their campers open and people just walk around and see what they've done.
You guys should have seen it. I had Mo out of the garage last weekend and I was polishing it all up.
We got to make him look good.
We're going to get best in show.
So that'll be the next couple days. Should be gorgeous weather, so we're looking forward to it. Join us along and hopefully you'll get to see some cool campers.
There you go.
See ya.
See ya.
All right, so we just arrived at the Runaway Acres, which is their campground, and set up our little area here. We're on an end, and we'll get video tomorrow of everybody's camper, but this is basically a big field with, like we said, it's about 65 runaways, and we'll get a chance to look at them tomorrow, but we're gonna make some dinner here and go and meet everybody.
For being here this weekend. It's been anticipated for months, and looking forward to it. And we've had a great time every other time we've gotten together. So I don't imagine anything less for this weekend.
All right.
Oh, I thought you take a picture.
No, video. So it's about 9 o'clock and we just sat down.
I thought for sure you were taking a picture.
I know.
That smile.
Oh, here, I'm taking a picture. Ready? Take it. All right. So we are sitting down. We met a lot of nice people tonight.
We did.
And it's very cold tonight. So we have our little fire. What do you call that?
Propane fire pit.
Propane fire pit. There's a name I thought for it, no? And
I'm trying to turn our Bluetooth speaker on.
sit out here a little bit, and we're heading to bed. Good morning.
Hey guys.
We are eating some breakfast. Had a pretty good night's sleep.
I had a great night's sleep.
And can't wait to see. There's a presentation at 9 on power. And
it was cold last night, but its sun's popped up and it's warming up really quickly.
Yeah. So we're
weather.
gonna get cleaned up here and.
And we met lots of people last night. Probably 5, 6, 7 people. They were all really cool. Good to hear their stories. So we got a whole day ahead of us. Looking at their rigs.
You crack me up when you call it that. All right.
Okay.
So I figured before we start looking at everybody else's camper, we might as well look at ours again. Right?
Yes.
Here's the inside of our camper with all of our shelves and bins. And we have our fairy lights up top. And then we put our bed into couch mode. And have so much more room in here when we do. Let's get in. Now we have all of this space that we can move around in. We love our little Mo. We even have the new pillow that our son got us for Christmas with our Mo logo on it. Look at that. How sweet is that? Okay, back here for lunch. Yesterday was Valentine's Day.
Yep.
And we're on a keto diet.
Huh.
And I already dug into the guacamole right now, but this is the little heart platter that I made for Joel.
This is so cute.
That has for our lunch. All meats and cheeses. Yummy.
It's delicious.
All right, so they said they were going to do a ukulele class, and all of a sudden, everybody shows up with ukuleles. There's like 20 of them, and somebody's got an extra one. Wayne does. So Joel is going to learn, I guess, how to play a ukulele. So this should be interesting.
of course, the ukulele, okay? Here's where we start. This, of course, is the ukulele, okay? 8 strums on C, then we're gonna go to A minor, then to F, back to C. Okay? Here we go. On C. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, A minor. 1. F. Okay, still? Yeah.
All right, we are coming to the end of the first full day, and they just opened up dinner. But again, we have to make our own food. So we are making, what are we making, Joel?
Keto jambalaya,
Keto jambalaya,
I think. We'll find out.
which is super yummy. Basically cauliflower rice instead of regular rice. So looking forward to it. And I think they have a DJ for tonight, so we'll probably stay up a little bit later tonight and have some fun. Hey guys, it's the end of the weekend, and we just packed up and we are heading home. It was a great weekend, got to meet lots of people, and looking forward to the next rally. There's actually one up in Smoky Mountains in October, and
then Louisiana in November.
Mississippi.
MISSI.
In November. So we're going to try to make it to one of those, if not both.
Yeah, it was really fun just meeting all these people that runaways and seeing
Yep.
what they did with their rigs.
Yeah, you crack me up with that rigs thing.
Yeah, it was really fun. And yeah, all the group meals were awesome. Just sitting with strangers talking
Yep.
about where they've been, where they're going to go next.
Yep.
It was awesome.
So good weekend, and next weekend is another adventure. So we'll see everybody later.
Stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye.